Hi, this is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal's Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and HighTex Sewing Machines. And today we're going to do a feature video on our Model 828B hot knife webbing cutting machine. The Model 828B is an excellent machine for individuals who are interested in doing heavy-duty webbing and also wide webbing. It works extremely well for a lot of lifting sling applications, works well for also tie strap applications and some other applications where a heavy-duty break strength webbing is required. We've got approximately a 6 to 7 inch piece of 8,000 to 10,000 pound break strength nylon webbing. You can see how heavy this is. It's extremely heavy-duty webbing. And so what we're going to do, we're going to do a little test on this machine so you guys can see how the machine performs with this heavy-duty webbing. One of the features that makes this machine very prominent in the market is the fact that it actually features a two-blade guillotine style system. So you have a top blade that comes down which meets in unison with the bottom blade in this type of action. And so what happens is that not only does it cut the webbing from the top side, but it also cuts it from the bottom side. And that works extremely well when you're dealing with heavy-duty webbing. In addition, the knife temperature on this machine can be set up to 600 degrees Celsius, which is extremely high temperature, which means you get a much cleaner cut. This machine also allows you, of course, to sear the ends of the webbing so that you don't have to worry about the webbing fraying or breaking. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration video on this machine. We're going to go ahead and initiate the process so you can see how it works. Now, this computer monitor right here controls all the different parameters. You can set the length of the cut, how fast it meters, and many different other things on this control panel. So you can get the type of cut that you want on the webbing that you're looking for. Also, you can get it to meter out at a certain speed as well. Also, you can control the length of the cut. This machine, I should also mention, is extremely accurate with regard to how it meters out. So over the course of several hundred feet of webbing, it may only be off 1 or 2 millimeters, which is extremely accurate. So let's go ahead and press the start button here. We'll go ahead and initiate the process. Alright, so I'm going to have Jackie pick up the pieces here. Alright, so here's the pieces that we cut off and metered out. And boy, the ends of those are hot. So anyhow, this will give you an idea about what this machine's capable of doing. So you can see how accurate the pieces are. Of course, I don't have them stacked up perfectly, but you can see each one is cut to a pre-prescribed distance. And of course, the nice thing about it, if you can see, if the camera can show this, is you can see that each piece has been seared off, so you don't have to worry about the webbing fraying or coming apart during the sewing process, or actually even in the field during the application process. So that makes this machine an extremely versatile machine for doing a lot of different types of nylon webbing cutting. You can also vary the width of the pieces, and you can actually cut multiple pieces at the same time. So of course, this piece being 7 or 8 inches wide, we could break that up into 3 pieces that are only 2 inches wide. So it'll cut up to approximately 200 millimeters wide, which is about 8 inches. So if you have any additional questions on this machine, please feel free to contact me directly. My name again is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal's Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and HighTex Sewing Machines. I can be reached at area code 330-692-1418, and I do thank you for your time today.